Welcome to SE Custom Designs, where we have basically taken an old beat up hammer, kind of like my face, and we have, look at this my friends, cleaned it up. So this is part 2, very short video. If you've got those old hammers down in the wood shop and you can't see through the rust, all I did was worked for about 10 minutes on the brush, the round brush that you put on a grinder wheel. Okay, so oh my God, I mean I was just going through some woodworking sites, and somebody basically, I think it was on Facebook, said, look at this, guess how I did this. Actually, it's like a wire brush spindle type deal. So at any rate, we're going to go ahead now and drive it home, and we're going to put a coat of this wonderful stuff on it. I'm not a salesman for this product, but boy is it nice. Beeswax and orange oil. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to soak it, my friends. The sun is going down so fast, but I'm going to try to do this with one hand. Look how it just made it look so rich, my friends. Let's flip it over. You can see what it looked like, and now with the swipe of a hand, it's like a miracle, my friends. All right, so we're just going to put that on there, let it soak in, and possibly give it another coat. And there you go. We just basically renewed and made this. I'm going to do this to all my old hammers down in the workshop. Yeah, it's just worthwhile watching videos on woodworking and so on and so forth. I humbly bow if you're watching mine and you're learning some things along the journey. So I just learned this from another woodworker. Wow, I mean, it's just, I couldn't wait to get home just to do this simple little thing, right? If you're a metal worker, you probably already know about such things. And here's Git. Meow. He is out in the poly shed. He visits us in the wood shop, and he sees the birds. He's like, I got to get the birds. So at any rate, thanks for coming in. If you like what you see, subscribe to my channel, SE Custom Designs on YouTube. And thumbs up, thumbs down. If it's thumbs down, tell us why, and we'll try to improve. Thanks for coming into the shop. This is a short video. Believe it or not, it is a short video. And let's just get going. The hammer hack. Shalom.